Hey there, welcome to our test kitchen. It is day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas recipes. Today we have made Santa's Christmas Crunch Munch. Join us tomorrow for Christmas wreath antipasto skewers. So we are going to start by cooking our popcorn. So I have in here about a half a cup, 3/4 cup of popcorn with some oil, and we're going to cook this in our Vector. Yes, you can cook popcorn in your Vector from Alto-Shaam. Check this out. So now we're just going to put our popcorn into a large bowl, and we're going to drizzle, well, not drizzle, we're going to shake on our cake mix, just a white cake mix. So we're going to pour our holiday M&Ms in, and we have our cake mix, and now we're going to shake it. So now we're just going to drizzle with our white chocolate and kind of stir it around on our parchment paper. Okay, so then we just put this, spread it out, put it in the refrigerator, and then you can break it apart later. And have a Merry Christmas from our family to your family.